Welcome to OneDrive Quick Start.
Discover how easy it is to back up and restore your files using OneDrive. Whether you want to protect important documents or recover lost files, OneDrive's simple features make it accessible for everyone. Follow this guide for step-by-step instructions to set up automated backups and restore files in just a few clicks.
Setting up OneDrive for backup.
Start by signing in to OneDrive on your device. Download and install the app, then log in using your Microsoft account. Once signed in, OneDrive automatically creates a sync folder on your computer. Any files you place in this folder will be saved both locally and securely in the cloud.
Automating file backup.
Automate your backups for peace of mind. In the OneDrive settings, enable the backup option for important folders like desktop, documents, and pictures. With this enabled, OneDrive continuously syncs any changes, ensuring your latest files are always backed up, without needing to remember to do it manually.
Restoring deleted or previous versions.
Lost a file or need an earlier version? OneDrive lets you quickly restore deleted files from the recycle bin within 30 days. For files you've edited, right-click and choose Version History to view or recover an earlier copy. This makes it simple to undo mistakes or bring back accidentally deleted content.
Accessing files anywhere, anytime.
Your files go wherever you do. With OneDrive, access your documents from any device, computer, phone, or tablet by logging into your account. This flexibility means you're never without your important files, whether you're working from home or on the move.
Tips for maximizing OneDrive.
Keep your backups secure and organized. Regularly review your OneDrive storage, delete unused files, and use folder structures to keep everything tidy. Enable two-step verification for extra security. With these habits, you'll ensure your backups are reliable and easy to restore whenever needed.